Today I'll show you how to hard reset the Samsung Galaxy S25 step by step. This can help if your phone is frozen, locked, stuck in a boot loop, or if you want to erase everything before selling the device. Before starting, make sure your battery is above 50%. A hard reset will permanently remove all personal data from the phone. First, completely power off the Samsung Galaxy S25. Wait a few seconds until the device is fully turned off. Now press and hold the volume up button and the side button together. Keep holding both buttons until the Samsung logo appears on the screen. After a few moments, the Android recovery menu will appear. Use the volume buttons to move up and down through the menu. Use the side button to confirm selections. Scroll down to Wipe Data/Factory Reset and press the side button. Now select Factory Data Reset to confirm. The phone will begin erasing all data and restoring factory settings. Once the process is complete, highlight Reboot System Now and press the side button again. The Samsung Galaxy S25 will now restart. The first boot may take a few minutes. After restarting, the phone will display the Android setup screen like a brand new device. If your Samsung Galaxy S25 is still working normally, you can also reset it from the Settings menu. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap General Management. Next, tap Reset. Then select Factory Data Reset. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern lock. Confirm the reset and wait for the phone to restart. And that's how you hard reset the Samsung Galaxy S25. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to Reset Pilot, and check out our other Android tutorials. Thanks for watching.